Hey guys, there's a really bad thunderstorm coming. Whoa! Everything looks weird outside. Whoa, it scared the bird. That is really loud. And our little dog's afraid. And she's not. And here's Aria.
And I'm really scared. I thought that was what's his Jade.
Here's Aria,
But
cuddling
no,
with this little guy.
Jade.
So, yeah, we'll update you in a bit, but I have to go out somewhere right now, so. And it's very hot out.
You gotta close your windows.
Yeah, I will. It's very hot out, so she's just wearing a onesie. Her scratch mittens, and she doesn't like the rain. But I gotta leave her at home with her uncle to go out, so she'll be okay. Don't worry. No, it's raining. Keeps lightning. Our pool looks dirty still, but it's clean. It's just darker liner than the neighbors. So yeah. So Miss Arias is gonna stay here. So I'm gonna try to put her down for an evening nap, so that while I'm gone she won't, wake up. She won't be too much of a handful. So I'll see you guys later.